trying to not die right now, but it's kind of hard. Hey, what's up? Welcome back on my YouTube channel today. Guys, we're gonna do this special video that we talk about the Ipsy Glam Bag. Ooh, cool, yay! So every month since almost 3 years, 2 years, I don't know, I have a bad memory for that kind of things, but for a few years now I receive every month my Ipsy Glam Bag, and I just still enjoy it because I receive makeup first of all, but every month I have the chance to discover new brands, and that is something that I really love because there's so many competition and brands on the market that is sometimes hard to tell what is the best and what is the worst, and to discover new things. So every month I receive that bag and I'm quite happy because I discover new things. And as a collectioner, makeup collectioner, and as an addict of makeup, okay, just let me tell you the truth right now, I am an addict of makeup. This is a disease, this is an illness. I need to see a therapist, maybe, anyway. But I really love makeup, and as someone who really do enjoy makeup, I think it's one of the best way to enjoy makeup, to receive makeup. It's like giving yourself a gift every month. I'm pretty selfish. I'm giving myself a gift every month for now more than 2 years. Hello, it's me. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna show you the bag first of all, but I'm gonna show you the product. I'm gonna try it on my face and talk about them, and it's only $10 a month, okay? It's not expensive at all, and it's like receiving a gift. You don't know what is inside. You can cheat if you want to. You can go on the website. I almost never do that because I want to have a surprise when I open my own bag, but every month you can go on a website and track your Ipsy Glam Bag. First of all, you can track it, and we all know that we're waiting on FedEx at the door and we're like, hello, where is my bag? Thank you, okay. But you can see the product and you can see different review on them, so you can review them, in fact, every month. You can give them 1 to 5 star. What? You can give them 1 to 5 stars on each of these products and tell them if you like it or not, and it will help them to make a better bag for you for the next month. And as you can see, because no, I'm not waking up like this every morning. I will love it, but I'm not waking up as this in the morning. I already did my makeup a little bit, just the base. So I did my foundation, my concealer, brows, and bronzer because I don't have any of these products in my bag. So let me talk about the bag first. So this bag is really amazing because I really love this like kind of like metallic foil bag. It's really cute, and right here in the zipper it's green, and I really just enjoy it because it's really like original. It's a different kind of bag, and what you can do with these bags, you can do a lot of things. You can put your makeup inside of it, or you just can like put some pencil and stuff like that. If you go to school, it's quite useful, and I mean it's in the price of $10, so it's not expensive at all. Like most of the bag, if you go to any stores, it will be like $5 to $10 a bag, and now you have the bags and the 5 product for $10. I mean, come on. Am I selling you the product right now? No, I don't understand what you're saying. No. So now let's talk about a product that I really enjoy, and this one is the nail polish from Nail Medic. Never heard about that company before, never heard about them, but it's the lemongrass and biotin infused nail polish, and the color is so beautiful. I really do enjoy the color. It's really a beautiful color. Sorry, I'm trying to not die. Unfortunately, I do fake nails. Yeah, I'm that fake one, fake bitch. I know. But I do my toes nails, so I'm gonna use this on my nails. I don't have this color right now on, but it's a really beautiful pink, like a dark pink, and you can see it goes a little bit into a purple color. It's really, really nice. Maybe I can show it on something. A mauvey pink, you know, like it's not pink, you can see a little bit of mauve into it. All of our nail polish are 10 free, cruelty free, paraben free, sulfate free, phthalate. What? I don't know how to pronounce this one. Let's forget it. GMO free and triclosan free. I don't know what I don't know what it means. I don't even know how to pronounce it. But I know that it's good for you, and what I like about this nail polish too is that it's not peeling off easily. Usually, well, it depends which one, but sometimes like you apply nail polish and a few minutes after it's already peeling off and it's not cute anymore, and I hate it because, you know, I put my time into it. Like I put effort by doing my nails, and now I'm a complete mess. So what am I taking the time for? Like, it's a waste of time. So I hate when it does this, when the like nail polish is coming off, particularly when you're doing the dishes and it's like just going off and you're like, no! But this one is staying quite a long time on your nails. I don't know why the lights flash. It's scaring the shit out of me. There's probably a ghost right here, right now with me. You love makeup too, honey? Do you want to come talk about makeup with me? Yeah? Okay, come. Let's talk about makeup, sweetie. Yeah. So let's go to the next product, and this one, I should have done it, like I shouldn't have do my makeup before, because this one is a serum. This one is from the company Aromatica, and it's the Rose Absolute First Serum. And you're supposed to apply this, well, I apply this like at night, so before going to bed. You can apply this in the morning if you want to, no matter what. Usually I use more cream in the morning to wake me up, and serum before going to bed. Well, I do cream and a lot of steps before going to bed. I'm quite intense on this one, but I don't know why. Usually serum, I do it more at night. First of all, I love the smell, okay? So when you're smelling the product, it really does smell like roses. And maybe you don't like these kind of smell, and if you don't, well, it's maybe not something for you. But when you apply it on your face, it's not too like on it. You don't smell it too much. It's okay. But I enjoy the smell, so anyway, I do enjoy it. And what I like about this one is it's a little bit sticky. Not too much, just not sticky, but more like it don't feel wet on the skin. I don't know how to say that, but when I'm like just rubbing it into my skin, it doesn't feel like it's staying there for a long time. It's kind of already dry, so you can already apply the makeup and it's good, and it's helped the makeup to stay a little bit longer in place. I really like this product for this. The only thing that I don't like about this product is the bottle. Why I don't like this kind of bottle? It pissed me off, okay? It pissed me off to trying to like have a little bit of this. Oh, shit. It's not even on my hand now, it's on me. Shit. But it's just difficult for nothing. I don't know why. I prefer pump, but it's okay. I really do enjoy the product. And the next product that I'm using, that I will show you, it's from a company, a brand that I love for many years now. It's one of my favorite brands. They are always like top notch on doing good product. And this one is from Tarte. So the name of this blush right here is Kisses. It's the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. I already know this product for a few years now, since this started, this one, the Amazonian Clay Blush. I have a lot of like, I really do have a lot of blush from Tarte, the Amazonian like clay to blush. So just right here, I already have this palette right here, and I have many other blushes from Tarte, and it's always great. It's always good. The pigmentation is excellent, and the colors are always beautiful, and it always takes a long time on my face. So even before trying it, I knew I will enjoy it because it's a product that I know for many years now. Ooh, and I love this color. Okay, I don't think I have it. This is a new name. Yeah, never tried this one before. I really love the color. This little like pink, baby pink, but just a little bit darker than a baby pink. It's really pretty. I really enjoy it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use this blush as an eyeshadow and as a blush. So I'm gonna do both. Okay, so I'm just gonna go finish the eyes, applying some mascara and false lashes and maybe some liner, and I'm gonna come back in a few seconds. And the eyes are done, guys, so I did apply false lashes, mascara, a little bit of black just over my lashes, and I apply this pencil from Makeup Forever in the color Anywhere Caffeine just under the eye with a little bit of mascara, and the job's done. You know, I have something in the eye. Anyway, so let's continue with the next product, and I have this product right here from the company Jolie, just like this, and it's a Luxe Cream Matte. Oops. Oh my god. Okay, Gabrielle. Indulge yourself. Jeez. This right here, it's a liquid lipstick, and the name of this color is Lavenda. And what I like about this one is that it's a cruelty-free and vegan product, so it's really good. And the smell, it smells like intense. If you don't like it, if you don't like smell for your lipstick, you might not love this one. It really smells quite intense, but it doesn't bother me, so for me it's all good. And it's really purple mauvey color. See? I guess. I don't really like the color. I really don't like it. It's not a color that I'm gonna use every day. I'm just gonna try it on camera so you can see the color. The product is quite like fun and light on the lips. It doesn't feel cakey. It doesn't dry. It doesn't completely become dry, so when you kiss on your hand or whatever, it's coming off a little bit because it's not a liquid lipstick, it's a cream matte lipstick. I like the feeling on the lips, but I really don't like the color. It's not something I will go out with. I'm gonna keep it for sure because I'm gonna do makeup with this and like special thing with it, but for everyday life it's not my style. If you like it, good for you. Stay yourself, do makeup as you want. Makeup is supposed to be like what you want to do with it, so if people judge you, F them, but it's not my type. I like the feeling on the lips, by the way. So for this one, it's quite good. Not exactly the best product from all of this. Yeah, I don't feel that. You know, it's way too purple. So I'm gonna take it off because This is not what I'm going for now, or ever. Maybe for extra makeup, like when I'm doing special makeup, but not... No, it doesn't fit with my makeup anyway. So I'm just gonna go take it off and put another lipstick on and do my highlight, and I'm gonna finish with the last product. So let's finish with the last product from our bag, and this one is from the company Nature Lab. Never heard of that company before, never did. This one is a perfect smooth hair oil, and this product is supposed to protect your hair from the heat. So before you do anything in your hair, you're supposed to apply this oil. It really does smell good. What does it smell like? It remember one of the products that I have. It's like something that smells like flower. No, it smells like orange. Yeah, I compare flower and orange together. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. And I did not try this one so much because I already have a lot of product that I use for my hair before I curl them or whatever, like before I put any heat in my hair. But it really does feel good in the hair, and what it helps with is that my hair sometimes like get out of control, you know, with static and everything. So I take that product, even if it's not for protecting my hair. I'm just taking this oil and going in my hair. It helps them to be more controlled and more shiny, but not too much. So don't apply too much in your hair, you just want a little bit. You put a few pump in your hand and you just goes in it. So let's make a quick recap on everything that I have, and if I like it or not. So the nail polish, I do enjoy it really much. I adore the color, really a beautiful color. The serum, I do enjoy it, even if I don't enjoy the bottle, I enjoy the product. The blush, I have nothing else to say that it's a Tarte blush. So who doesn't enjoy a Tarte blush? They're the best. The cream matte lipstick, doesn't like it really much. I don't love the color. The only thing is that I don't love the color and the smell. That's it. And the hair control protecting oil, I enjoy it. I really do enjoy it. I will need to try it a little bit longer because I don't do my hair every day. I'm lazy. So that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy doing them. I really love doing this kind of video with the Ipsy Glam Bag. You always discover new products. Some of them are missed sometimes, you don't like them, but most of the time I really find good products, like good little things, you know, to add to my collection because I'm an addict. I should probably go in therapy, but that's okay. So if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to thumbs up this one and to subscribe right there to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!